Hello and welcome to cookingflavors.com. For today's recipe, we look at the preparation of a very simple, quick and easy to make Poondu Kuzhambu, and here are the list of ingredients that are required for this. For this, I've taken a pan and I'm adding in the required amount of sesame oil. For always a kara Kuzhambu or mean Kuzhambu or any tamarind based curry, sesame oil gives the best taste and flavor, but you're always free to add in regular cooking oil also. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding in a few mustard seeds, about a teaspoon, and about half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Sesame oil has a tendency to smoke up quickly, so make sure you put your flame on low or medium. And here, this is Thalipu Vadagam. I am not very sure about the English word for this, so it's called Thalipu Vadagam. It's usually used in Kara Kuzhambu, Mean Kuzhambu and other such Kuzhambu. And do try to add this. It gives a very good taste and flavor to your dish. And now goes in about a pinch or a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, a few curry leaves. We'll mix them and saute them well. And here I have about 10 sambar vengayam or the pearl onions. I've sliced them. You can also use them as whole or you can halve them. And I'm adding in about a pinch of salt for the quick frying and sauteing of the onions. We'll mix and stir them all well till they combine well with the other ingredients and the onions leave out their raw smell. Now goes in about a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and again we'll mix them well. And then here I have about 3 to 4 bulbs of garlic. I've taken the big sized garlics today. Usually for this curry, the big sized garlics will taste better than the small sized ones. So try getting the big sized garlic cloves, and I'm adding in, the more the amount of garlic, the tastier this Kuzhambu will be. So I told you I've added about 3 to 4 bulbs of garlic here today. We'll mix them all well, and here I'm adding in just about a little bit of water for the garlic to cook nicely. Now we have to cook this garlic till it becomes nice and soft. When you insert the spatula in it, it should break softly and easily. That's the consistency that we are looking at, and I'm covering it with a lid. We'll allow this to cook. Now I've shifted the garlic onto the other stove. Here we'll get the tamarind base ready. I've extracted the pulp from the tamarind from a small lemon sized of a tamarind, and along with that I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of Kuzhambu Milagai Thool. You can also add in the regular chili powder, but for me the Kuzhambu chili powder gives a better taste and flavor, and I've added in the required amount of salt. I'm mixing them all with my hand making sure that the seeds and the other fiber from the tamarind is removed, yet retaining the tamarind in this mixture here. We'll mix them all well. Check for the tanginess, the spice level and the salt in this, and you can always adjust it here. Now we'll switch on the stove and we'll allow this to come to a nice boil. In the meantime, the garlic will also be ready, and then we'll have to mix both the mixtures together and reduce and simmer it, and then a garlic curry or a Poondu Kuzhambu will be ready. Now I'm just showing you, see, simultaneously I've switched on both the stove. The garlic is cooking here on this side. I'm just checking it in between once to make sure and to check whether the garlic is done. It's not yet done. We need some more time on that. And here waiting for the tamarind base to come to a nice boil also. Now after around 5 minutes, you can see that the tamarind base has come to a nice rolling boil. We don't have to cook it fully because anyways it's going to cook along with the garlic. So I've switched off the tamarind base and I've shifted the garlic here back to the stove here, and the garlic is perfectly cooked. Let me give you a closer look at it. See, when I'm going to, I'll show you, I'll just press one of the garlic cloves to show you how well it's cooked. See, it's that soft and it's that smashy. That's the consistency of the cooking of the garlic that we require. Only then when you bite on it, it will be nice and soft, and you will not get the raw smell or the flavor of the garlic. So I'm mixing it just once, and now it's time for us to transfer the tamarind base or the tamarind mixture into this. I'm transferring the entire thing here. We'll give it one mix and stir, and we have to reduce it to the consistency that we require. I like it a little thick, but you can also keep it a little runny as well. So that will take about say because it's both are already cooked, so it will take just about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. See, the consistency that I am looking for is almost arrived. And finally, before switching off the stove, add in just about a little bit, just a pinch of sugar. Jaggery is the best choice for this, but today I'm running out of jaggery, so I've added a little bit of sugar here. So add in a pinch of jaggery and switch off the stove. A tasty, tangy, simple and easy to make Poondu Kuzhambu or a garlic curry is ready to be served. You can serve this with a nice potato fry or beans putto or any kind of avial and puriyal. Hope you enjoyed this recipe today. If you did, please do give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to our channel, post in your comments and suggestions, and also subscribe to our Tamil channel Samayal Suvai. Till we see you again with another new and interesting recipe. Thank you and happy cooking.